Hey, WCI traders, Matt Buckley, the Chief Investment Strategist here at Wealth Creation Investing with our Friday market debrief. And wow, what a week it was. Europe sneezed and the world caught a cold there. So still seeing the absolute train wreck and clown cars out of Greece and France and Spain. Spain had a bond auction this week that didn't go so well. The borrowing costs are just going through the roof. So again, as I've predicted several times, and I predicted about a year ago that the Eurozone is going to collapse eventually. Greece is going to have a what's called a disorderly exit probably from the Eurozone and result in just a massive crisis. Germany trying to be the leaders overseas, trying to be the grown-ups in Europe. And I wouldn't want to be a country that owes Germany money. So Germany's probably not going to be too happy with Greece and with the recent election of Hollande in France. So, folks, just bad news all around overseas. Compound that with one of the biggest flops in market history. What happened today and just about an hour ago? Facebook IPO'd, and it absolutely flopped. Now, other tech IPOs usually fly through the roof. If you were trading back in the dot-com days, these things trade up 100, 200% in a day. We're flat on Facebook right now. Let's take a look at our TradeMonster trading platform. And if you want to open a free paper trading account, you can go to trademonster.com/WCI, and you can get free access to their great trading tools. But let's open our paper trading account and take a look at what happened with Facebook. And we'll take a look at a 3-minute chart. It IPO'd there around and shot up to about 42 and some change, and it promptly dumped below, or right actually to its IPO price. Now we're seeing a little bit of recovery in Facebook, but that has killed the overall market. The overall market was just kind of holding its breath. The Dow Jones, the SPX, and the NASDAQ everybody was just hanging out, waiting on Facebook and hoping that Facebook was going to save the day for the market that has just been in an absolute downslide for the past month. Let's take a look at our 20-day chart of the SPY, the S&P 500, and there it is, folks. That chart can say 1,000 words. We've really done a slide for life here. Sell in May and go away, and Eurozone is hitting our markets. Hey, but to be honest with you, at WCI, it doesn't matter, because we trade all sorts of financial assets that can help you potentially profit in market conditions such as this. Look at, for example, this is the Top Gun Options, a WCI affiliate's model portfolio. It's up $5,000 today, or close to $10,000 year to date since I started managing that model portfolio. This is what your portfolio needs to look like on days like this. It needs to look like a submarine missile firing control panel or a Christmas tree. You need some greens, some reds, some pinks. That means you're truly hedged. So on a day like today, or after 20 days of just getting pounded, you're potentially making money. So we're happy at Top Gun Options with our model portfolio. We've made some long bets on volatility. If you're not familiar with that is, come check out topgunoptions.com. But like I said, at WCI, our mission objective is to really help you potentially make money in any market condition. So check this out. Next Thursday, May 24th, all day from 9 to 5, we're going to have a full day of live trading and training about how you can potentially capitalize on this implosion overseas in the Eurozone. And to be honest with you, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to see here in the United States. California, the state of California is our Greece. It's bankrupt, kind of slid under the radar with news last week that, Governor Moonbeam, Governor Jerry Brown, who was governor, I believe, in the 70s and was an idiot then and is more of an idiot now. We're not $7 billion in debt, we're $16 billion in debt. So guess what? How are the other 49 of these United States going to feel about bailing out California? Oh, and by the way, Illinois is next. So you have got to come to this event next Thursday. You can register right here. Go to wealthcreationinvesting.com/Euro Trading Zone. and this video is going to redirect to this sign-in page. And we just have a lot of great people that are going to be talking. Hubert Centers, Jason Fielder, myself, Mark Nicholas, and Gareth Ferry over there from the Emerald Isle. And it also shows you the schedule of what we're going to be talking about during that time. So make sure you sign up for this event, because you really have to be able to profit in any market condition, and we're going to help you do that at WCI. Like I said, great day in the model portfolio over at Top Gun Options, up about $5,000 alone today, even though the market's down and even though Facebook has brought the market down. And let's take a look at that again. I want to take a look at Facebook, see what it's doing before we sign off for the weekend, because well, there we go. It's kind of turned the corner. Looks like all the initial people who wanted to get rid of their shares at the open there and take their profit are gone, and it looks like maybe some retail traders might be bumping in to jump on board the old Facebook train. Folks, in a year from now, 2 years from now, obviously Facebook, along with Google and an Apple type of company, are going to own the world. So you might want to look at potentially getting long Facebook at this cheap price here. Now it's already rebounded about 5%. So in the blink of an eye, in the blink of me talking, looks like the market's turned around a little bit, and we might actually eke out and stop the bleeding this week. So, all right, folks, make sure you sign up for the event next Thursday. All day, we're going to be bringing you all sorts of asset classes of live training and trading to help you potentially profit in these volatile market conditions. Other than that, have a great weekend. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge.